Hey Journey More, you're about to see Grotto Falls here in the Smoky Mountains.
It's a 1.4 mile trail out and back, so 2.8 miles total. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah, always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah, with you the summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. When you're miles away, yeah, you can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Ooh, and I've been on my knees.
So that was super cool.
So awesome. We have been waiting to run into the lobsters.
It's really cool. So this trail will actually take you up to the summit of Mount Leconte, and on top of Mount Leconte there is a lodge, a bunch of cabins that you can actually stay in. It's the highest elevated place you can stay in the east. That's how they get their supplies up to the lodge and up to the restaurant up there. That was awesome.
Made my day 100%.
Make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. Forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
What's up, Journey More? We are coming off of Grotto Falls. Definitely worth it. A beautiful waterfall that cascades down the mountain, and it gives you a lot of really cool views as you're coming up. And then the main fall itself is really cool. You get to walk under it, which is really neat. And this morning we got to see the llamas that go up to the Leconte Lodge.
It was so awesome. We
Yeah.
loved it. That's been on our bucket list to see them, and so it was such a gift getting that this morning.
The trail is very kid-friendly, dog-friendly, family-friendly trail. Maybe a little tough for little kids, so just keep that in mind. You might have to carry them up with you or something like that.
Yeah.
But beautiful trail.
Yes, the trail itself is gorgeous and really fun to explore and see. And then it's not super rocky or anything, but we would recommend some hiking boots because it can get muddy after it rains. So
for sure, which is when you should go because the waterfall is
bigger,
huge after the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this trail doesn't really have any lookouts, so it's really cool with the mist.
Trail itself is 1.4 miles in and 1.4 miles back. It's about 2.8 miles total, and you gain 550 feet of elevation on your way up, so it is a tad bit of an incline while you're going up. You'll break a sweat, but it's totally worth it and really not too bad.
Yeah, it's very popular, so you'll have to get here early. We got here at 7 a.m. and it's the end of September right now. Dark at 7 a.m., sunrise around 7:30. But if you get here at 7, get to the falls, it'll pretty much be light out. Took us about 30 minutes to get up, a little bit longer to get down because we're filming and doing things. But yeah, very easy trail. And we met some really sweet people on the trail too. It was really cool getting to talk to them, kind of hear their stories and why they love hiking. So that was cool. That was neat. The llamas come on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if you want to see them, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 a.m., you'll get to see them go up the mountain, which will be really cool. You don't want to be behind them. It's best to be in front because they do go to the bathroom as they come up. Yeah. So it's always better to be in front of them. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the Journey More community. Come journey more with us. We'll see you next time.